All right, so today we are going to talk about identifying the function of fanboys. That is one of your fanboys exercises, no red ink. So our first sentence at the play, Primrose Everdeen laughed and cried. We need to figure out what the coordinating conjunction and is connecting. So let's start by defining our terms. If we are connecting subjects, a subject is a noun and it is what or who is doing the action. An object is also a noun, and the object has something being done to it. Verbs are actions, and complete thought, if it's connecting complete thought, it is connecting a full sentence. So again, Primrose Everdeen laughed and cried. Laughed and cried are both verbs. So I'm going to go ahead and say this is connecting verbs. All right, Lord Voldemort bought a sweater and coat at the mall. Sweater and coat are both nouns. So we know that it's either a subject or an object. Now, Lord Voldemort bought a sweater. Something is happening to the sweater. The sweater is not doing something. So I'm going to go ahead and say that sweater and coat are both objects. Hermione Granger and I just learned how to break dance. So it's connecting Hermione Granger and I. And Hermione and I are both doing something. We're both learning how to break dance. So that would be a subject because they're doing the action. All right, level 2 complete. You should order either spaghetti or penne for Lucius Malfoy. So it's connecting spaghetti or penne. Those are both nouns. So I know it's either a subject or an object. And it's you should order spaghetti. So spaghetti is being ordered. That means something is being done to it. So I'm going to go ahead and say that's an object. Professor Moody frosted the cake and I added rainbow sprinkles. So cake and I are two separate things here. So I'm going to look at the full sections. Professor Moody frosted the cake. That's a full sentence. I added rainbow sprinkles. That is also a full sentence. So if I'm connecting two full sentences, that means I'm connecting a complete thought. Hagrid jumped on the trampoline and rolled down the grassy hill. So jumped on the trampoline, rolled down the hill. Those are both actions, so I'm going to pick verbs. Minerva McGonagall and the musicians are playing at the jazz club next week. Minerva McGonagall is a noun. The musicians is a noun. And they are both playing. So they're both doing something. So I'm going to pick subject. And with that, I'm going to leave you. As always, if you have any questions, feel free to email me or reach out on Remind.